Hello, my name is Aura and I'm the Library Manager and Game Art Tutor here at REMCAD. Today, we'll cover how to properly upload your files into the LMS. Navigate to online.remcad.edu, as well as the assignment that you'll need to upload files for. Now that we're on our assignment, make sure your file is saved somewhere where you can easily find it. Then, you can drag and drop your file. Or if you click on the drag and drop area, it will bring up your File Explorer. Select the file you need to upload for your class by double-clicking on the file. If your file is too large, you'll need to zip it before turning in the file. Our tutorial on how to zip files will be linked in the description below. If you run into any snags or issues using the LMS or uploading files, feel free to email us at learning@remcad.edu or make an appointment at remcad.mywconline.com. We hope to see you soon and thank you for watching.